See the paint shop's open again?
Again. This I don't mind though.
It's not
better than foam insulation and insulation.
Yeah, we got rid of the last piece of foam today, so you couldn't insulate anymore if you wanted to.
We still have foam spray.
Those are for our cabinets.
That's correct.
Nice. Nice.
So right now we are about to build and put up our second set of overhead storage, and we're going to use a similar template as we did for our cabinets on the passenger side, but instead this time we are not putting any doors, which means that we don't have to put hinges or anything on there. We decided to keep it open shelving or open cabinets and put just a strip of plywood or a board across the open shelves, so that way nothing will fall out. We thought that if we kept it open, it would make the van look a lot bigger, and then we wouldn't have to use extra hardware or lumber to do the doors. Yeah, that's what we're doing now.
It's like the tiki bar. Yeah, we finished with literally no scraps, no nothing left. We used everything.
Except we returned. We went to the store a lot this time around. We go to the store almost every other day.
Yeah, I mean, this is equal in complexity to building like 10 tiki bars, so makes sense.
We are about to install and build our second set of cabinets. Instead of doing doors like we did on this side, we are going to be doing an open shelf with a lip or a piece of plywood or board right in front of it, so that way we have an open shelf.
You need to be over a little bit.
I don't mind as much
we're gonna have to
there.
down here. And everything else is too.
Because I still could hide I can still hide the thing, right, if I move this way? Okay.
Yeah, if you want to do one on the other side, Josh.
That's a tricky one. You're straight in.
Look at our new open shelves. We're obviously going to paint it, but it's looking pretty good, huh? I'm just going around spackling the holes. Can't even see them right now. So that way they disappear, and then I'm going to paint over them. So Josh had to cut this OSB board to make sure that when we open this bench, it does not get in the way of that door thingy.
Right. Can't have that.
Here we go.
So fit test number 1. Here we go.
Ooh.
It's a little bit.
So a little bit more at the top, huh?
That's where we're gonna go.
It almost makes a weird, yeah, how do you do anything in this van? That's number 2.
That one looks better. Okay. Oh my
boy.
God.
It's almost like you have to cut like a
This is the devil.
notch, not even just an...
Oh no, that's actually not hitting. The
Oh.
board's too long, but this is high enough.
Oh.
Oh, it's hitting up there.
Oh.
But if I shave off the end, actually I can shave off some. See you later, board.
Back to your jigsaw.
Hey-ya.
Bye.
Oh.
Wow. Farewell.
Round 4.
3. Number 5. Let me see if you're flush. Push more my way. My way. My way. Okay.
Good.
Good.
Okay.
Let's see.
It's over that. Ah, yes.
That's
A
pretty
little more at the
good.
bottom.
Not unhappy with that.
It's almost like you have to
Or is it in the
notch.
frame again?
It's the frame, actually. It's not hitting this.
Oh.
It's the frame up here. I think that's as good as she gets.
Good. You don't want to take too much out.
We did it!
Yay!
Well, that one.
Hinges are going in. We got these from Habitat for Humanity for 50 cents each.
Place has been a lifesaver for us during this project.
No kidding.
Yeah. It's been probably saved like $500
Yeah.
just on buying stuff from there instead of the other places. It's, yeah.
Okay, so I am, tilt this over just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm a short 24 right now.
Can you come my way, though? Okay, second bed is really coming together. This whole van's really starting to come together, actually. Look at that. We got walls, we got showers, we got Lisa, we got the shelf thing here. Whoa! Whoa! That is starting to look like a little tiny home. I couldn't be happier.
Our van is finally starting to look like a little home. We
Yeah.
have shelves, we have cabinets, we have 2 benches that turn into a bed. We have a lot of projects going on, and it sometimes feels like we're all over the place because we're doing so many different things, and we can't always finish one until we finish the other. But
Yeah.
today was a very successful day, and you can tangibly see the difference. We spent half of it shopping again, but it was a good day.
Yeah, we got so much done. It's really, yeah, it's hard to explain how far it's come
Yeah.
and how far we've come from the start of this thing. You know, like we came in here with kind of a vague idea, a vague dream of living in this van full time,
And also when you
God.
tell people that you're going to be living in a van, they're like,
eh.
and ever since we started sending pictures and showing people what we've been doing, and people are watching our YouTube videos, it becomes really clear that this is a really cool thing.
Yeah.
And we're about to embark on a really cool adventure. Not to mention, this has been a really fun adventure to begin with, building it. What's coming up? We still have to do our shower. We gotta finally,
Yeah. We got to waterproof our shower.
we gotta put the hinges on this last bunk.
Yep.
Repaint
Repaint everything, put trim on everything. But that's it.
All the wiring's done, all the electrical panels are done, all
Done.
the solar panels
Solar's done. Yep.
Crazy.
Yeah, we're getting close. We're getting real close.
Keep following along, and if you want to see our next video, feel free to subscribe and give us a like.
Yeah, it won't be too long until you get a full van tour. Whoa.
Never thought that I would be that person.
We're so close. Thank you guys so much for watching again. We'll see you in the next one.
Good night. I'm dripping.
Because I bet we're gonna have to sleep well.
This is kind of a wonky.
Okay, first bed is really coming together. Okay, second bed is really coming together.
Our place is... Hi, kitty. What do you got to tell us? So many things to say.